I don't know if you haven't figured out yet. Yes, it's a DeadPool bust. So far, so good. No holes, no issues that I can see, other than that magnetic bed, which is getting replaced very soon. Like I said, I got this printer dialed in almost perfect. Just need to get a different build tack bed. Oh, you can see it right there. Here, turn the light off. You see the bed move. Because it ain't sticking. Well, we're about 3.5 hours in. Doing pretty damn good. Swords in the back look good. He's waiting to see when it starts doing his arms and shoulders. It says it doesn't need support, but we overhang about 80 degrees. Now I've pushed my printer to about 65, 70. And it kind of stringed a little, but it was okay. So, give him the benefit of the doubt, we'll try it. Now we're right at the bottom of the arms, the lowest part anyway, and where the shoulders begin. Well, where the elbows are that go up to the shoulders. And it looks like doing pretty damn good. You can see the what look like two levels on the two left and right there. I'm gonna have to lift you up a little bit. You see just infilled on that side. Doing the part in the back. The two swords. I haven't looked at them actually. Oh, that came out good. This is the part I was worried about. So if we can get them all the way out, then no supports needed. This should come out pretty good. Hopefully. Well, looks like the only part I was worried about is doing just fine. That overhang is surprisingly damn good. Oop. Anyway, it's not stuck down right there. Oh, no, it's stuck down. It's the bed not stuck. Moved it, the bed flexes. Stupid magnetic beds. Let me rephrase it. Stupid, cheap magnetic beds. Otherwise, shit, doing damn good. I'm gonna throw some tape across that. I just saw it move the other way. Should be this far into it, have it crack up, because the damn thing comes loose on the bed. I know. Stupid, cheap magnetic beds. Now that I know it got past the part I was worried about, I really hate to have it mess up. I know. Cheesy as hell. Saw a guy use heat tape, filament tape, or hot end tape on supports once. I can't remember who it was that did it. You know what? It worked. Saved the print. I mean, I'm almost 5 hours into this. You really don't want to start over. Okay. We'll speed the rest of them up. We're past the danger point now. Everything else should be a piece of cake. I'll move you up now. There we go. Well, apparently I had some rather difficult technical issues with the camera. It shut off. So we missed everything from where you last saw to where we are now. Damn it. As you can see, he came out pretty damn good. Let's see if he'll break off. So there you can see where the bed moves. No, you can't see. Let's fix that. There we go. So, magnetic bed, as you can see, doesn't work for shit. The parts stick to it. They're stuck to it. But it ain't stuck to the other piece of the magnet. But he should peel off pretty easy. That's one thing that does seem to work very well. And then you can see right there, trying to get you into focus. And then you can see right there the big lift up in the magnetic plate that I just can't compensate for. I'm just gonna, it's just trash. But anyway, here's the back of DeadPool. A little part of his mask. Trying to get to where you can see that. There we go. No artifacts. No fails, no misses. The swords. And then the arms that I was worried about. Yeah. There's a little ripple there. Not bad. Definitely not what I was afraid of. The front, underneath the chin, the other arm. And that one actually came out pretty good, as you can see. And then on top, and there shouldn't be issues that on top anyway. But it came out pretty damn good, surprisingly. I shouldn't say surprisingly. I mean, you saw the Spider-Man one, you saw this one, you saw all my other ones. This printer's dialed in pretty damn good. Even if my camera's not. There we go. So another success.